How to finally master your emotion. Hello guys, my name is Afusa. Today we'll be talking about how you can finally master your emotion. Okay, there are many factors that can influence your emotion while trading. Many factors. And one of the factors is the pressure of life. For example, like you don't have money, you just want to make money very fast. That can influence your emotions because trading is not a very quick risk scheme. Trading is a gradually. For me, you have to take trading as a business because if you think that you want to flip $100 to $10,000 in a month, it is impossible. You might blow that account. Well, many people might be possible for others, but it is not the right way to trade. For me, what I will say is that if you have $100, you really want to flip to $80,000, what you will do is take that $100 and go buy profit. For example, you can get profit of 5,000 too, and your intention is to fund one. So then when you fund one, then if you can get 10% of that $5,000, maybe at the end you might be able to get about $400 payout for yourself. Then you can reinvest it. Well, that one can be able to give you at least 25,000 $25,000 account, which you can buy two. And yeah, so from there, maybe at the end you can pass one, and you can be able to fund one that can be able to give you about, let me say, $2,000. You see, from there you start growing gradually. Okay, before you will do this, please always know that you really know how to trade. If you does not know how to trade, the first thing you need to do is to get somebody that will train you or learn forex. You can learn YouTube, okay, or you can look for a method that will train you. Sorry, you can look for a method that will train you. So that would really take your journey very fast. Okay, if you want that. So those are some of the factors that will affect you. Okay, so other thing that will affect you or your emotion is over risking, over leveraging. So, for example, like for example, like instead of you have maybe you have $10,000 that you are that $10,000 too big. It's not everybody that can afford $10,000. Let's say $1,000. Okay, if you does not have $1,000 to trade, please buy profit and leverage on profit. From there, you can make money for yourself. Not only make money, so you can make money to buy more challenge. From there, you can start funding yourself with the money that you are gaining from the profit. Okay, so but if you have, maybe assume you have $1,000 for example, and you want to trade, and if you are risking 50%, mind you that if you lost, you are going to lose 500, which that will affect your emotions. Okay, what you need to do is, first thing that you need to do is, when you want to trade, you need to ask yourself, how much are you willing to risk? If, for example, like if you tell yourself, okay, I'm willing to risk $100. Fine, you're very simple. Then risk that $100. But if you want to risk, if you are willing to risk $100 and your mind is not settled, now you might tell you, no, this one. Immediately you just enter the market and your mind is not too settled, and you are ashamed to say, hey, if this market go against me, you just know that you are over risking that $100. Your mind could not hold the $100 that you are risking. Then bring the money down. Until your mind can be at rest. When you press buy, you just relax and you just okay. If The market, if I hit my TP, it's fine. But if I does not hit my TP, I hit my stop loss, no problem. I'll come back another day, because if you hit your TP with 1%, for example, with 5%, that's when you are risking 5% in the $1,000 that you have. That would be risky about $50. So that's when the market take you out today. Tomorrow you come back, you risk another $50. Then the $50 will give you $100. So the $50 that you lost yesterday, you will recover the $50 yesterday. Those is very well. It's okay, between okay that you can handle it. Okay, so that's it. So whenever you cannot handle any market that you are risking, maybe you say, okay, I'm going to risk 200, and you know that you can't handle it. Please don't take that market. Just forget about market. So it's just very simple. If you does not have money, don't flip $100, because definitely you are going to blow that money. So that's me. If you want to risk $100, definitely you will be thinking to risk about maybe 70% to 60%. That is ridiculous. You don't need to do that. You just buy profit and leverage on that profit. Okay. So I just want to show you just a little thing that you will need to do. Maybe for example, like if you are taking this trade, maybe you are going to buy, put my distance here. So maybe my stop loss is somewhere here. It's about 7 pips. Maybe my target will be maybe three to one. Let's assume 3 to 1. So I have $100 that I'm going to risk. So there's a website I will say you should go. So I go to this website, the baby pips. Don't remember. Yeah, come to this baby pips size calculation. So you just come here. So write your $1,000. Maybe I was okay, I'm risking 5%. So remember our this thing is about, let's say 7%. I'll rather put 8%. Okay, so as you can see here, it's about, let's say 8%. Then that we are risking. So we are is the pairs we are trading is GU. So let's see GU. So we go to select GU here and calculate. So now you see I will be risking $50. So my stop loss, now my standard lot will be 62 0.2 0.6% 0.6 that I'm going to use on my loss size. You understand? Be 0.6 0.62%. I can make 0.63%. 0.3%, sorry, 0.63 lot that I'm going to use on my trading. So immediately I put this on my lot. Then if the market take me out, I will be losing $50. But if let's go to the so if the market take me out, I will be losing $50. But if the market go my way, definitely I will be earning 150. Okay, so that's how you can manage your trade. Okay, risk the money that you are willing to lose that day. It's just very simple. If you wake up in the morning, you want to start trading, you need to ask yourself, how much are you willing to lose? Okay, then another thing you need to ask yourself is, how many times do you want to trade? Sometimes you want to trade 2 times, maybe London session and New York session. So divide your risk. For example, if I say, okay, I'm going to lose 1%, share the 1% into two, which becomes 0.5, then percent that I'm risking on Lotto session, and 0.5 that I'm risking on your session. Okay, so you can divide them, or if you can decide to say, okay, I'm going to risk 2%. Then you can divide the risk. Say Lotto session, I'm going to risk 1%. Then New York session, I'm risking 1%. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Over trading is, for example, when market take you out, then you want to revenge the trade. It is very bad because it will not set you, it will not make you be profitable in forex. Determine how many times you want to trade. If 2 or 3 times, then divide your risk. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Please give us thumbs up if you like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel so it's help us on our channel. See, our channel is a new channel, so we really want you people to support us so that our video can get to other people. Okay, so I'm going to recap again. Please always risk the amount you are willing to risk. If your mind is telling you that you are over risky, then stop the market. You are over risky. Always plan before you enter trade. Plan before you enter trade. Don't just jump into trade. Oh, I just wanted to know. Plan before you enter trade. Tell yourself, am I willing to really risk this money? Okay. If you are not willing to risk the money, please don't place that trade. But if you are willing, then you can place the trade. So, as I said to the new beginner, please, if you does not have money to spend on trading, what you need to do is just very simple. Like you have $100, you want to flip. Don't flip the $100. Take the $100, buy two Profem account, 5,000 and 5,000. Try to fund one, and you will see between 1 month you can be able to earn 400 instead of flipping $100 to 1,000 in a month. No, forex is a gradually processed thing. It is not a quick risk that, oh, I don't want to make money. No, it's a gradually processed thing, because if you rush in forex, definitely you will lose everything that you gain. So I hope this video is helpful, and I will see you some other time. Bye bye.